that is not normal. There is this pandemic that no one could have foreseen, but the numbers are really historic. Unemployment.
There is a calm courage within us. It stands tall in the eye of the storm. It leans into the discomfort and the uncertainty. It walks into the fire to be transformed by the flames. It's calling for us now. Can you hear it? It's ready to rise up from the rubble. The unraveling of what we knew has made a clearing for what we can imagine and create. The warrior of the heart is ready to lead the way, to walk calmly through the chaos, to create the world we need now.